This is a video at the Harrison home. This is a Goodman furnace that is 2004 model. It's 80,000 BTU, and there's the name tag if you can read that. 90,000 BTU, 70,000 output. Here's the coil tag. It's a 3-ton Goodman coil, installed in 2004, so it's 13 years old. Has 5/8, 3/8 suction liquid line, good ductwork, sweeping elbows. The return air duct is a little small. The drop duct is 8 by 22, and for 3 tons should be a little larger, but that could be increased where they've expanded the duct here. Make that little short drop into a 12-inch by 22, and that would accommodate the 3-ton air. Got a condensate line that goes to the floor drain, and we have half-inch gas line coming down. It's a wrench type valve that needs to be changed to a handle valve. Pretty rusty furnace. Got a register here, and the refrigerant lines go over and into the garage and out to the backside. I'm sorry, that's crawl space through there, and the refrigerant lines extend. That appears to be probably close to 50 feet, and they're 5/8, 3/8, so probably needs to be replaced with 3/4 inch or 7/8 inch liquid line. Pretty good duct work. It has dropped down, so some new duct hangers needs to be pushed up, and new duct hangers installed. It's a little loose, this one. This one's dropped down probably an inch or so, and that bracket, the screws have come out. That needs to be pushed up. There's a damper here that's closed off, and that feeds the living room, and they say it's really cold in the winter, so that needs to be opened. I tried, but it's painted shut, but that damper needs to be open. This one is open to this run, but that one, as you can see, the flat is, the damper's almost closed, so it'd be good to open that.